This video, I'm going to go through the install of my project GameSentenceMiner. This project is just a utility to get sentence audio and screenshots from games while you're playing, while you're sentence mining, versus just install Python. You can get it from the Microsoft Store, but I recommend just going to Python's website. To install, it's just simply this. Okay, so it should be installed. To run it now, it is simply just typing this in terminal. In the new versions of GSM, it will download OBS and FFmpeg for you. All these files are located in app data roaming GameSentenceMiner. If you are already have OBS installed, it will try to ask you if you want to copy OBS settings over. So I'm trying to do a fresh install, so I don't want that. Okay, so this is just a fresh install of OBS. I have some settings configured in here for you, but just go through here. I recommend using 30 FPS. Resolution doesn't really matter. Okay, let's configure maybe a game that play. Actually, first, sorry. We'll go through and figure out our settings for GSM. So the one of the important settings is in OBS, this output folder. This is where OBS will save the replay to, and GSM needs to be aware of that. So it will find the replay and get the sentence audio from it automatically. Other than that, it's the Anki settings. You need to make sure this corresponds with your settings in Anki. So sentence audio, picture. So default, this is word. I need it to be expression. Previous sentence, this will get like the previous sentence in the game. It's not necessary. There's other goodies there. Let's see, is there anything else? All these should be fine. Okay, let's just try to mine one card. The way I have it set up is I recommend having one scene per game. This is not really necessary if you know what you're doing in OBS, but I think it's just the easiest way of doing it. This is a very important option. You want this so you're not capturing the desktop audio. So if you're like watching a video on the side, you don't want that. Your Anki card. Okay, so let's mine a card from a game. Okay.
売る相手
Should save the replay buffer, kick our script off, save that to our Anki card.
Aite.
Right, so that's working well. Once you are finished with your mining session, to close this, it's simply just going down here to this icon, exit, it will close OBS for you and you're good to go. Thanks.